Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm in Phu Quoc, Vietnam, and I want to share something a little unusual. So I was out flying my drone, just exploring the island from above, and I ended up over this massive area. It looked fully developed. Streets, villas, restaurants, everything neatly built. But the weird thing is, no one was there. It feels like a ghost town. Literally no one. No people walking around, no cars parked, no signs of life at all. It looked like a town that was ready to open, but never did. From above, it's surreal. You see apartments, shops, business centers, gardens, clean roads. It's like someone pressed pause on the entire neighborhood. At first, I thought maybe it was just a new area that hadn't opened yet. But then I flew a bit further and realized it's not just a few buildings, it's huge. Blocks and blocks, all empty. It honestly felt like flying over a movie set. Beautiful, but still. And it got me thinking. Phu Quoc has seen a ton of investment over the past few years. A lot of people expected this place to explode, like Bali or Phuket. So there were huge developments, luxury resorts, and entire themed towns built from scratch. I even heard there's a Venice replica with canals and gondolas somewhere on the island. But then the pandemic hit. Travel stopped. Some projects were paused, others slowed down, and a few just faded into the background. Now, don't get me wrong. There are parts of Phu Quoc that are alive. The beaches are stunning. You've got places like Sao Beach, Ong Lang, and the night market. They're full of energy. But in between, you'll find spots like this. Big, polished developments that just feel frozen. There's something strangely peaceful about it, though. The roads are empty, the buildings are quiet, the palm trees sway with no one watching. It's kind of beautiful in its way. You can't help but wonder what the future holds for these places. Will people eventually come? Will life slowly fill in the silence? Or will some of these spots stay just the way they are? It's hard to say. But I love discovering these in-between places, the ones that aren't in the travel brochures. They show a different side of a destination, and they tell a story too. Maybe not the one developers planned, but something real. Anyway, I'll let the drone footage do the talking now. If you're into this kind of slow travel and real exploration, stick around. I've got more coming from other parts of Phu Quoc soon. The quiet corners, the lively beaches, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.